guys, it's Emily here. So I have a video for you guys today of unboxing things that I got. So first things, I got a steering wheel cover for my new car that I'm getting, and it's tie-dye themed. Then I got two little plushies. Well, the one's kind of huge and it's tie-dye theme. But before I start opening them, I got these items off of Wish. I actually got these for my co-worker's birthday, which is 2 days from now. But I got this. It says meow off because she loves cats, and this is her personality. So it's really cool. The only thing I don't like is the cat's like kind of like greenish. Like it's like a greenish brown color, which is kind of weird. Didn't look like the photo, but it's definitely like a soft material. So at least that's good. And then I also got this little plushie smooshy. I don't know what you want to call these. Swiss will leave with things, and it has like, it's like a coffee cup with a cat, and it's really soft that, like, you know, so she cannot be so stressed and stuff. So I got that. I also got my co-worker one just like this, but it was white and red, but I got her an orange one. So yep. So on to the things that I got for myself. Like I said, those two items were from Wish, but some of these items, this item is from Etsy, and then this one's from Afua. So I'll tell you guys later. I can't talk right now. But yeah, I got this off of Etsy. This is the steering wheel that I got. And I'm gonna find my box cutter. Oh, why can't I talk? I'm just a mess today. Okay. Ooh, the wrapping paper is cute. So he has this really cute wrapping paper that says thank you, bright side out. So look at that. I love how it's like sparkly. Really cute. Aw, this is cute. This is the steering wheel cover. Like I said, it's tie-dye and it has black paw prints, and I have a black cat. And I love animals, so I think this is so cute. Like I said, I'm gonna make my car a tie-dye theme, and I think this is just add a touch for my love for animals and love for my black cat that I have, Midnight. I really love this. Once I do my car video, I'll show you guys what it looks like on my car, but I don't have it currently right now because it's getting fixed. So I really like this, and I cannot wait to put this on my new car. So yeah, super cute. So let's move on to this package that I'm really excited about. So this is from Stuff Safari. I ordered two things from them before, so I'm really excited to open this up. They have the huge stuffed animals. I got a stuffed penguin and a tie-dye snake, which I also got one for myself too, for gifts. And then I got a black cat which was named Midnight, like the cat was actually named Midnight, and I got like a little scarf around it too. So the company's very great, and they will answer your questions too if you have questions about anything. But yes, my fiance ordered me my tie-dye snake that I got from someone else that I wanted to keep because I got attached to it, and I also ordered myself something from it too. Yeah, so I'm super excited. I wish it wasn't a big package. They kind of just stuffed everything. The first time I ordered from them, they had everything nice. And same with the other time with my black cat. But this time they kind of just shoved everything in like a box. So, oh my goodness. So freaking cute. Like I said, I already saw this before. So it's like not a surprise to me. But I'm so excited that this one is mine. It actually looks different from the one that I got. I mean, every stuff even looks different, but it looks like the patterns are different. But yeah, it's still super cute though. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. It definitely has a lot of yellow in it, but it's still tie-dye though, and I love the blue. I love the blue on the bottom. That's my favorite because I love the color blue. But yeah, that's my tie-dye snake. Very cute. And then what I got myself is this. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I got myself this pug. It's Bella Pug, your mildly lovable from Precious Moments. So they have like really cute stuffed animals, and I got a pug because like I'm obsessed with pugs. My next animal in my next goal in life is to have a pug, which I know that's not going to happen for a long time, but I have a little collection of pug stuffed animals, and this was just too cute not to pass up. They have really cute stuffed animals from Precious Moments. They also have a raccoon that I think is very cute too, because like for some reason I love raccoons as well, so I kind of want the raccoon one, but I decided just to stick with the pug one for now. But yeah, I love this company and I love those stuffed animals. Like I said, when I ordered this for the other girl for her birthday, I thought this was going to be a lot smaller, and this turned out to be huge. But yeah, so I cannot wait to have these items in my car to be tie-dye-ish. And then my pug I'm just going to have in my room because I think it's so adorable. So yeah, so that's all I have for you guys for today. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks for watching.